my glass was half empty, but you came along and showed me how to love without limits, to have a good time. My glass was always half empty, but now you're in my life. We're far away from the city lights, so small under the night sky. It's just us two, but I don't mind. You could never wear me out. Even after all of these years, you still look at me with the same love. It's just us two, but I don't mind. You could never wear me out.
Hi everyone, and welcome back to Chelles Glam Home. Well, today guys, I'm excited to share a decorate with me video, and this time we're doing my fireplace mantle. I hope you enjoy. So guys, this is my fireplace mantle that I picked up from Early Settler Furniture last year. I absolutely love how glamorous this mantle was, guys, and I knew it'd fit perfectly in Chelles Glam Home. So today I'm going to do is decorate it for Easter with some beautiful blush pinks and burgundies. Now before I get started at the top of the mantle, I want to place a really cute basket at the bottom. Here I have this beautiful basket I recently picked up from Kmart, and I'm going to place inside this cute, adorable bunny cushion from TK Maxx, as well as a throw also from Kmart. So guys, now I'm going to start at the top of my mantle. I've already had this table runner. It's a scalloped table runner at the top, and I'm going to leave that there and place this garland. It's a Easter garland I picked up from Target a few years ago, and what I want to do is I just want to fill it up and play around with the design. Now my goal here was to fill up the mantle as if it is spilling over with flowers. So I started by shopping my own home and just bringing together a whole heap of my fake flowers throughout my home. Now guys, these are all inexpensive. They're just from Kmart and dollar stores, and I love to just fill up areas of my home where I want to give a lot of fullness when it comes to decorating with flowers, and I'm just adding them where I think they need it. Once I added the flowers, I then was going to add some cute decor. I started with these little pink lanterns as well as these adorable bunnies, and then I added these Target Easter eggs to a riser. Once I seen that it was all coming together, I added these cute Easter egg picks as well as some cherry blossoms, and I added the most adorable little Easter egg vases with the little butterflies on top. I just think they are so adorable. Now I also placed this beautiful coffee table book by Megan Heiss onto the top of my digital set-top box on top of my mantle. I always like to hide that in some way, and I thought this coffee table book was just perfect. I also changed out my little blue cushion to this adorable pink bunny cushion. Now on my shelves I usually keep the decor the same, but I'm going to add some touches of Easter, starting with these blush pink beautiful fake flowers from TK Maxx, as well as this adorable little blue bunny. Now guys, I've mentioned the beautiful hobnail vase that I recently picked up from Kmart. It is such a beautiful vase, guys. I filled it with some neutral flowers, but what I like to do is just add pops of different colours per season into this flower arrangement. I started by adding this beautiful coffee table book underneath the vase, and then I added some blush pink flowers. I then added my London in Bloom book, as well as this adorable blush pink bunny. I also added these pretty pink gingham flowers and these beautiful white beads.
Be a weekend lover, yeah, I'ma be the best damn lover you got. I wanna mess up your covers.
I also added to my shelves this vintage flower print that I got off Etsy. I love this print so much.
I'm the best thing that has ever happened to you. Here's your time to shine, now show me what you can do. My hands feel on your body, we were dancing in the dark. With every move I make, you're falling. The way my lips feel on your body, the way we're moving in the dark. With every breath we take, you're falling.
So guys, you know I absolutely love blush pink, and it makes my heart so happy when I decorate with it. I love combining blush pink with different colours, and I think it goes so beautifully with the burgundy.
Here's your time to shine, now show me what you can do. Make a move, the way my hands feel on your body, we were dancing in the dark. With every move I make, you're falling. My lips feel on your body, the way we're moving in the dark. With every breath we take, you're falling. Every breath that we're taking, with every step you're falling in love. With every move that I'm making, every breath that we're taking, with every step you're falling in love.
If you're new to my channel, I'd love to welcome you here. My name's Michelle, but most people call me Chelle, and I'm the creator of Chelles Glam Home. I'm an Australian YouTuber who absolutely loves sharing DIY projects, inspirational ideas, and home tours. So if that's something that may interest you, I'd love for you to hit that subscribe button so you can become a part of Chelles Glam Home family.
Be a weekend lover, yeah, I'ma be the best damn lover you got. I wanna mess up your covers.
So thank you so much for watching, guys. I truly hope you've enjoyed the video. I hope I've inspired you when it comes to decorating your Easter mantle. Now, if you're enjoying my videos, I post every Sunday morning at 8:30 a.m. Australian Eastern Standard Time. I'd really appreciate it if you give me a big thumbs up. It truly helps the channel, guys. Share the video as many times as you can, and I'd love for you to hit that subscribe button so you can follow me along here at Chelles Glam Home. So until next time, my friends, I thank you so much for watching. I hope you all have a wonderful week, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye, guys.